Hi guys, for today's video, this is our first time to react sa Filipino band Forbes Speeds. Their song It's Consensual Live Performance or sa Wish Bash 107.5. Yan, palagi ko silang nakikita yung Wish Bash, but I didn't see even once of Forbes Speeds. They're amazing. There are a lot of fans sa Pilipinas so much. Just I love them so much, and their songs are just amazing. Yes, I'm just looking forward for this one. Even this is our first time to react, but hindi ko first time na makinig ng song nila kasi we love their songs so much. They're so famous and they deserve because yeah, their compositions, their music are just incredible. Let's go. Ang daming. Because this is just a fan cam na kinuha. Ang daming tao, sobra. Saan kaya ito? Grabe yung sigawan na. Grabe pa. Talaga mga Pinoy, no? Napaka-healthy. Grabe. Sobrang daming fan nila. Sabi ko pa, marami yung manonood, sobra punong-puno to. Because those Forbes Speeds, they're amazing, guys. Grabe, ang ganda ng song na to. Grabe yung composition ng song na to. At yung arreglo lang talaga, sobrang ganda. At ang mensahe. At napakadali niyang kabisiduhin talaga din talaga. Yung beat niya, yung arreglo, ang galing. Parang concert lang. The crowd are just singing together with the artist at the inside of the bash. Grabe. There goes wild, there goes wild. Grabe yung tili, grabe yung sigawan. World Street.
volume!
Oo nga, mahina ang volume.
Baba ka speaker nyo!
Sobrang talented din talaga nila, no? Grabe, lahat sila kumakanta, lahat ng mga gumagamit ng instrument. Grabe, napaka-talented. Filipino are the best the best singers in the world.
Nakasa naman ang ano! Malakasan! Solo!
Grabe yun, napakaganda, napakagaling. Forbes Speeds, let's go. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed and entertained this reaction video, let's go. Thank you. For more reaction video, comment down below.